Hello, my friends. Welcome to a new and special recipe. Most people do not succeed in making cake at home. With this recipe, I am sure that you no longer buy cake from the store, a 100% successful cake recipe. Thank you, my friends, for your interaction in the previous videos. At the beginning of the recipe, we need 6 eggs, and they must separating the egg whites from the yolks is an important thing, and the eggs must be at room temperature. And this, my friends, is also an important thing. After that, we add in a bowl 85 ml of milk, and we also add 45 ml of cooking oil to them. Then we also add vanilla and 115 grams of flour. Then we mix the ingredients together until they become sticky. Then add the egg yolks to them and mix again until they are in the shape you saw. Then we prepare the egg whites and also add some drops of lemon juice to them. Then we add 60 grams of sugar to them and start whipping the egg whites with the sugar. My friends, I will be very happy if you write to me in the comments from which country you are watching me, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. This helps me grow the channel. In the whipping stage, my friends, we add 8 grams of cornstarch. My friends, you will be amazed at the softness and tenderness of the cake. It is very delicious. We continue the process of whipping the egg whites with the sugar until they rise and become smooth. With this consistency, like a cloud, this is an important thing and helps a lot in the success of the cake recipe. After completing the mixing stage, we add the egg white mixture on top of the mixture that was made at the beginning of the recipe, which is the egg yolk, flour, milk, and oil until it becomes like this. Then we add the rest of the whole egg whites and continue. Mix it together, my friends. A very important note, try to stir the mixture from the bottom to the top quietly so that the air does not come out of it. This is important for the success of any cake recipe. After completing the mixing stage, we prepare a mold, measuring 28 cm in length and 18 cm in width, and empty the mixture in it and leave a small portion in the bowl. As you saw, then we spread the mixture in the mold quietly. Then we bring the part that we left in the bowl and add 2 grams of cocoa to it and mix together. Then we empty the mixture into the cream bag and begin to draw on top of the mixture. You, my friends, can draw any shape you want, and I chose this drawing. I think it is appropriate after completion. For decoration, you can, my friends, add nuts if you want instead of drawing. And this is something optional according to your desire. In the baking stage, we need a temperature of 140 degrees Celsius for 65 minutes. An important note, my friends, do not open the oven in the baking stage until the baking time is over. The smell is beautiful, the softness of the cake is wonderful, and the color is very beautiful. It is delicious! I hope you will make this recipe in your homes. My friends, I am waiting for your comments on this recipe. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Write to me in the comments if you like this recipe, my friends. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, activate the bell button, share the video with friends, and like. Thank you for following. I wish you a happy day. I hope you always stay healthy. See you in a new recipe and a new video. Bye.